Hey everyone, this is Carla with Oli Grown. Got a question on Facebook today about whether you should knock the snow off of the shrubs that you have out in your yard. Now, there's not a real straightforward answer to this to every situation. So what we have today, we have kind of a moderately heavy snow, but most importantly is tonight it's supposed to get really cold. So we're talking down into the low teens, and that is really more of a threat to your plants than the snow is. The snow will actually provide some insulation for your plants and protect them from that really cold weather. So I would say in this situation, don't knock the snow off your plants. A situation where you might want to do that is when you've got a really heavy snow and when you have ice coming. If you have ice that's coming, that's going to add a lot of weight to your plants, and that could break them. So you'll want to clean off the snow, knock it off your plants in that situation. But today I'd say leave the snow and let it keep your plants a little bit warmer than they'll be tonight. And you stay warm too.